Alright, here we go.
Dude, shut up.
Ah, skeleton, because I touched this acid.
Okay, so I respawn. Let's wait for some people to come.
Oh no, I'm going to get my revenge.
What the hell do you mean?
You destroyed me in part 2. Bro, not again. Did I go to heaven again?
Oh, hi, dude.
Bro, not again.
Fatality, lol.
I'm back after respawning, here I go. I think this is the end of the round.
I will destroy you all. I'm a professional at this.
More like professionally cooked. I just keep dying over and over and
Okay,
over
alright,
again.
round 2.
Dude, you again?
Now I'm mad.
Look behind you.
Okay, so I'm back.
Okay, everyone, goodbye.
See you next video.